video I posted and watched, no, the last video I watched and posted. Did I even watch this video? No, and I was paid for it. Just by simply watching YouTube videos, you can get paid for it. And the best part is that you don't even get to watch these videos to make money from this. It sounds too good to be true, but it's 100% true. You can see the payment proof if you don't believe me, and it's available worldwide. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything completely step by step. So it is advisable you follow me as I show you this. All I ask from you is to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you are about to watch. You requested for this, so watch this till the end. Just as a reminder, in this video a winner will be generated due to our previous video using our YouTube random picker. So it is advisable you go down below this video and drop a comment, a nice comment regarding this video if you have watched this video down to the very end. Also, in this particular video, the winner will be announced in our next video. Most of you know how we do it in this channel. So with that being said, let's dive into the video. Before going ahead to show you from my screen so you can get to understand how to start up with this and start watching videos to get paid. You're not even watching this video. So what I'll be doing right now is to explain to you in details. So when I'm explaining to you, showing you my screen, you can get to understand this. So right now, the first thing you want to do is to create an account on shrinkme.io. I'll be showing you this in less than some minutes right now. So once you create an account on shrinkme.io, you will just go into any viral video, not mostly YouTube. You can also go to TikTok or any places you can get viral videos that have over 1 million or 1,000 views. So once you have gotten this video, the next thing you want to do is to get the link of that video and you proceed. So I'm just going to be showing you right in this video, so just pay attention and watch me step by step as I show you this. Now, like I said, the first thing you want to do is to go over to shrinkme.io. Once you go over to shrinkme.io, you want to create an account for yourself. You can see the home, the payout rates, the payment proof, blog, login, register. So what you just want to do as a first time user is to come down to register. So once you click on register, you input a unique username, put in an email address, then come down here to put in a password. Then make sure you enter that password again, then confirm that you are not a robot. Then click on register. Then automatically you've created an account for yourself. So this is step 1 in this process. So once you are done doing this, your account is going to look like this, where you're going to see statistics, manage links, withdraw, tools, referrals, invoice, settings, and support. So now once you have your account right now, the next thing you want to do is to get these viral videos that has million or 1,000 views. Now, how do you get these millions or 1,000 views? This is very simple. Most of us have TikTok account, we have Instagram account, we have YouTube account. So what you just want to do is to go over to YouTube or go over to TikTok or go over to Instagram. So I'm just going over to YouTube. So for instance, I'm just giving an instance in this part. Okay, so you can actually go for what is trending and what is more attracting. So I just got this particular video that you can see 9.9 million views. So what you just want to do is to come over here, then you're going to see a share button. What you just want to do is to click on share, then copy this link. So once you actually copy this link, the next thing you want to do is to go over to Canva. Okay, once you get over to Canva, the next thing you want to do is to create a thumbnail or a catchy thumbnail of this particular video. You can just create something very attractive. Now you can just say you want to go over to elements and you can just come here and type in cartoon, and you're going to be getting several of these thumbnails. You can just come down and pick a catchy thumbnail or a catchy icon right here. So let me just say I want to work with this. I just have to drag this, put this here. You can still come over to elements and pick in more cartoons right here. Just make this looks more interesting whenever anyone sees this. So you can just come here and pick. For the sake of this video, I'm just trying to be a bit faster so you can get the exact stuff I am talking about. So let me just say this is our thumbnail. The next thing you want to do is to come down to where you're going to see text, add text. You can just give this color of the text white. You can just say something very catchy, funny cartoons. Let's just say funny animals. Okay, I'm just doing this for the sake of this video, so you can just put this where you can actually see, or people can actually see this. So let me just say this is our thumbnail, right? So we have actually gotten our thumbnail for this video. So right now we still need to do one more thing. We just have to add a play button on this thumbnail. Now to do that, all you just need to do is to come over to elements, then you can just come over to this search bar, then type in play button. Just type in play button. Okay, so you can actually see different play buttons right here. Let's go for the red one. So you can just put this like this. So our thumbnail is ready. Later you will still understand the reason why a play button is being added to this thumbnail. So the next thing you want to do after getting your thumbnail is to create an account on Pinterest. So now, before showing you what to do on Pinterest, let's quickly select our first winner with the YouTube random picker. So right now what I'm going to do is to go down to the last video and copy the link of that video. Then we're going over to YouTube random picker and we are going to paste this link. Then it's going to generate a winner for us. So right now let's get to find out who is our first winner in today's video. So right now the next thing you want to do is to click on pick a winner. So right now you can see we have a winner. Our first winner is KY Rian Josephine. So this is our first winner for today's video. So this particular person should quickly send me a message immediately after seeing this. So let's continue with this video. And so guys, this is like the final stage of you earning through this method. Now once you head over to Pinterest, you will need to create an account for yourself. Like you all know, you just have to create an account for yourself before you can start doing anything on Pinterest. So right now, once you've created an account on Pinterest, by this time you would have saved your thumbnail you have designed from Canva. So what you just want to do is to come down to this plus sign that says create. So once you click on create, you're going to be seeing this pin right here. Just click on the pin, then this pin is going to direct you to where you can actually import that thumbnail you created on Canva. All you just need to do is to come over here and import that image that you have actually designed from Canva. Okay, so right now this is the particular image I designed from Canva, so you just have to click on it and click on next. Okay, so this is the reason why I said we'll be needing a play button. As you can see right now, this actually looks like a video. Okay, so this is what we are going to use in this scenario. So right now what you just want to do is to type in a catchy title to this particular thumbnail. You can just come down and type in OMG funny animals with wisdom. So you can just put in a title like this, then come down to write a description about what viewers will be expecting once they click to watch this. This is about group of animals with funny behaviors. So you can just put this right. So you can just put this like this. Now this is the main part that is going to bring you money. Once you've done all this, the next thing you want to do is to insert a link right here. Now how do you generate income from this? What you just want to do is to go over to that particular YouTube video you copy the link, then head over to your shrinkme.io. The next thing you want to do is to paste that exact link right here, the link you copied from this particular video. Then in front of this link you're going to see an arrow. Just click. If you don't have an account on this shrinkme.io is going to prompt you to sign up with an account. So right now I already have an account. What I'm just going to do is to sign into my own account right here. I'm done inputting my details. I just have to come down here and check that I am not a robot. So right now I've logged into my account. The next thing you want to do is to come right here where it says your URL here. Then you're going to paste that particular video link you copied from YouTube. Then you're going to come down here to shorten this link right now. So once you paste that link and come down here to shorten this link, this is the link that is going to generate you money on shrinkme.io. What you just want to do is to come right here and copy this link. So once you've copied this link, the next thing you want to do is to go back to your account on Pinterest to paste this link. And so on Pinterest, you just have to come down to link and paste that link. So right now we have actually pasted the link we've gotten from shrinkme.io. Now this is the problem most people get when it comes to Pinterest. As you can see right now, it says sorry, we blocked the link because it may lead to spam. Now this is how you're going to bypass this. Don't be scared when you see that statement written in red. We are going to be using a particular platform to bypass this. The link to all this will be dropped below the description of this video and also on the pinned comment section. Don't forget to smash the like button if you're getting value in this video. Now to bypass this, what you just want to do is to copy this particular link we have actually shortened from shrinkme.io, then come over to this other platform. The link to this platform will be below the description of this video or on the pinned comment section, but you have to create an account on all these platforms. Then come down to where you see link shortener. Just click on that and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Just click on create your first link and it's going to bring you over to an interface where you have to paste this link, then shorten this link right here. And then the exact thing you want to do next is to come right here and paste that link right here. Then once you have actually pasted the link right here, it's going to generate a short link for you. So what you just want to do is to come right here and copy that link. So this is the actual link. Just copy this link. Once you've actually copied this link, you can now go back to your Pinterest. And so we are back to our Pinterest. The next thing you want to do is to take out this previous link, then come right here and paste this exact link. And so you can see that the text that was written in red is out right now. So you can now go ahead to click on create. So right now we have actually published this on our Pinterest account. Right now, this is how you make money from this. Once anyone clicks visit site, this particular video link is going to direct that person to that video and you get paid when more people keeps watching this video. And so that is how you can earn by just watching videos. Like I said, not actually you watching videos. In the previous times I have made a lot of money with this. Note that this is not going to be making you very rich, but if you want a passive income that can give you a lot of money, you can use the link to sign up for my class and I'm going to see you on the other side. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I show you some specific ways you can use to make money online. If you have any questions regarding this video, just feel free to drop them below this video. So see you on my next video and keep winning.